Hi guys! Today we will learn how to use filters to extract relevant pieces of information from a data set. We will use our sales data file. Let's say your manager asks you to give him orders generated by Corey Mills. If we could have filtered this table for sales records of Corey Mills only, we were done, right? To do that, all we need to do is go to any entry of Corey Mills in the Account Manager column, select the cell and right-click. In the option, we will go to the Filter option here. It gives us options like Select by Value, Color, or even Filter by Icon. For now, we will select Filters by Values. And here we go. We got all the entries for Corey Mills. Now we will select the Order Number column and the status bar will give us the count of order. Notice that some rows which are not matching with our filter are hidden. And a small funnel icon has appeared on Account Manager header, which indicates that some filter has been applied on the column. To go back to a normal view, we will undo the changes. Now let's say you are asked to get orders which are placed in New York during the last quarter of 2015 year and are over $5,000. How will you get this? Don't worry, it is not that complicated as it sounds. To do so, we will go to the Data tab and click on Filter. As suggested by Excel, we can also use Ctrl+Shift+L as a shortcut to apply the filters. As you can see, little arrow icons have appeared on every header indicating that filters can be applied now. These are called auto filter icons and can be used to filter or sort the data. We were tasked to find out the orders placed in New York City during the last quarter of 2015 and which were over $5,000. We will take one step at a time and try to get the results. First, we will click the auto filter on the city header. As you can see, both Chicago and New York are selected here. We will uncheck all by clicking Select All option here. Then we will select New York and click OK. Our whole table is filtered for New York sales only. Now we will go to Order Date column autofilter to just select the last quarter of 2015. As you can see, Excel has nicely grouped my dates in years. If we go to Date filters, we can find various options such as yesterday, this month, last quarter, and so on. We can even select a specific date interval using Between option. We want data for last quarter of 2015 only. Therefore, we will first deselect all the years and then click on the plus sign besides 2015. This will open up all the months of 2015. Now we will select months from October to December as that would be the last quarter. Now 2 out of 3 steps are completed. We want customer payable to be more than $5,000. For that, we will go to Customer Payable and click on the Auto Filter. Here we got various number filter options such as greater or less than a specific number, or even top 10 values. In our case, we will select greater than option and type 5,000 here and click OK. And here you go. We got 7 results. Simple, isn't it? To remove filters, we can click on the drop down and select the Clear Filter from the Column option. Since we have applied filters on multiple columns and want to remove them simultaneously, we can go back to the Sort and Filter section in the Data tab and click on Clear. If we want to remove these auto filter options on our header, all we need to do is click on the Filter option and all the little arrows are gone. Filters are very useful in extracting relevant data based on some criteria. And it is an extensively used feature of Excel. So try your hands on filters and get familiarized with it. I will see you in the next video.